Making some eggs today. Damn, that looks good. Just smash it down, you know what I'm saying? Smash that shit down. You know. So there ain't nothing left, you know what I'm saying? If I had 3 hands, then the pan wouldn't be bouncing around, but you know what? I don't have 3 hands, so that's just what we gonna have to deal with. Alright, so what we gonna do today? We're gonna find that pepper. That pepper. Oh shit, Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Alright. Sorry. Alright, anyway. Some salt. Boop. Boop. And then, ladies and gentlemen, you have salt and pepper. I wish there was a way to. Give me some credit now. I'm using a little baby spoon, alright? Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna have to push it up for 1 second. Oh yeah. Mix it up, get it nice and good, you know what I'm saying? And if I can find some bacon in there, I'm gonna make some bacon with you guys. Heck yeah. Alright. Now that I got it a little bit less, you know what I mean. All like chopped and screwed up, man. Alright, let's turn that down because now it's starting to burn. No, it ain't. Actually, it's fucking perfect. Alright, just so for the record, this house, everyone in this house likes things a little bit more burnt than most people. So, don't judge me. I like my shit burnt. My girl likes her shit burnt. My kids like their shit burnt. It's all good. Just means I don't have to pay attention when I'm cooking on the grill, that's all. Alright, so these look done almost. Damn, that shit looks good. Woo! Ooh, that shit smells good. So, we're gonna get a paper plate. Yes, I use paper plates. You know what? Heck yeah. And you know what? It saves a lot of time. Oh boy. Oh shit. Dropping some on the ground. You see that? Ooh, whoops. Better pick that up. The girl's on her way home from work, making her some breakfast. Delicious. Whew. Alright, you guys ready? Ready to see this shit right here? Get some cheese in this bad boy. Down for 1 second. Sorry. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Got the hiccups now. There's some cheese on that bitch. Just got a Cadillac. Throw some cheese on that girl. Alright, anyway. Delicious. Looking good. Looking spiffy. Like it. Nummy. As my kids would say. Put you down for a second. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alright, let's look at the toast. Oh. Fuck! There we go. Alright. Now we're gonna melt some butter on the toast. This is how we do. Hey, yo, boo boo. Alright. Throw some butter up in there. Up in there. Up in there. Ow, that hurt. Making your mother some breakfast. You don't need bread. You had a bunch of cereal. Oh shit, that's not a very smart idea, is it, guys? Let's just put my hand in there. Get that out of there. Get out of here. Alright. That's doing its thing. Delicious. Cheese is melting, finally. Yes, Aria? No, you may not have any more food. I knew that's what you were asking me for. Delicious. Delicious.